More and more things are going wireless, but there's still so many cords. Today on How To Anything, I'm going to give you a few tips to straighten up those cords to get your space looking perfect. A quick safety note. Whenever you're working with electrical cords, make sure they are unplugged from the wall before organizing them. The simplest way to manage your cords is with some cable ties. You can bundle your cables and tie them together, then just trim the ends. You can use adhesive hooks to route the cables behind desks or consoles. If you'd like to keep the cords side by side, you can put one zip tie around the group and then another tie between each cord to create a nice looking cable holder. You can also use some split tubing to bundle your cords. Just pry the tube open at the seam and put your cables inside for a sleek and easy way to keep your cords contained. These cord clips nail into the underside of a table or desk and can keep cables perfectly positioned. A cable basket installs easily under a table or desk to hold and hide cords and power strips. You can also attach a power strip to a desk or wall with some high-strength Velcro. You could also use a cord cover or cable channel, which is basically a plastic tube with a removable top. It has an adhesive backing and can attach directly to the wall or along your baseboard. Then, you can run your cables through the channel and cover it with the plastic cap. And what's really cool, this kind is paintable as well, so you can match the wall. You may have your TV mounted on the wall. Having these cords hanging down looks really messy, but if you have a standard drywall construction, it's a fairly easy DIY project to make this look nice and neat. We're going to cut a hole near the TV and a hole near the baseboard, then use these low voltage boxes to run the wires for a seamless look. First, use a stud finder with live wire detection to make sure you won't hit any obstructions or wiring. You want to make sure you don't have a stud behind the spot where you'll be cutting, and make sure there's not any bracing along the path from top to bottom. This low voltage box will be the frame for our pass-through hole, so we can just flip it over and trace these screw holes onto the wall, then connect the dots to get an outline. Then we'll use a drywall handsaw to cut out the squares. Once you have your holes cut, you can attach the boxes. As you tighten the screw, this arm will move and hold the box in place. Then run your cables through the wall carefully. Slide the cover plate over the cables and attach it to the wall. A pretty simple DIY project with big results. Now, instead of looking messy and cluttered, our wall looks clean and organized. No matter how you choose to do it, spending a little time on cable management will really improve the look and feel of your room. Leave a comment below on any other topics you'd like us to cover, and you can download the Lowe's app to learn more. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great DIY information.